academy of what exactly this academy is, that we have to see. So that academy is the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. So see here, arts and sciences go hand in hand. So we can have a academy, the Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences, and this is presenting the Oscar Award annually. So where this academy is, so this is in let's say Beverly Hills in California. No doubt it is in USA. Right. So for what it is being given? It is being given on the basis of merit to recognize the achievements, in the film industry. Now see, recognize, depending on the merit, the different kinds of achievements. So naturally, next question that should come in our mind is, what could be these achievements? That means, are there the categories? Yes, the answer to this question is yes, there are different categories which we can consider, right? So there are different Rushikesh sir. Hello, Shinde sir.
खूप कमी आहे बघा क्वालिटी. हा सर, हॅलो सर बोला. हॅलो.
मध्ये आहे ना एकदम अनम्यूट म्हणजे म्यूट झालं होतं. आय डोंट नो की. ठीक आहे, एनिवे.
ओके सर.
ठीक आहे, आता व्यवस्थित आहे, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
हो सर, हो सर.
So talking about the Oscar given on the basis of merit to recognize different achievements in the film industry. So obviously these achievements will be in the different kinds of categories, and therefore there are number of categories for which this particular Academy Award is being conferred. So how many categories are there? So these are 24 categories, and for these 24 different categories, the achievements are being there and which are always being recognized depending on the merit, and for that the motion picture award is conferred, or the Oscar is always given away, right? So this is about a little bit if we consider the Oscar award. So first time when it was presented, so first presented in long back 1929. So in 1927, its actual committee constituted. That committee decided in 1928 that what could be the criteria, and then later on, actually it is being decided that we will be considering this criteria, and in the year 1929, first time these are conferred, or these were given away, right? So this is about the first Oscar presented, that is in 1929. So the winners of this, so what these winners got. So winners receive and uh, this could be about different categories or some of these 24 categories, right? So what I said, this is always being provided for the category of scientific and technical awards, right? So then special achievement awards, honorary awards, if we consider the recipients from India of this particular academy award, then you can find out it in different kinds of categories. So likewise, as I said, this is about different categories. So which are called the which are the special achievement awards, honorary awards, humanitarian award, memorial award. Then I think the award for the technological contribution, right? So these are the things. Although, as I said earlier, it is being presented annually, but not necessarily awarded annually. So that is not mandatory that it must be awarded annually. So it depends on, right? It will be always for the awards, right? So how the winners are decided, important, and nomination as well as voting. So first you have to nominate the candidate and vote that candidate, and these both things are being by members of, so members of Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences nominate first the candidates and vote for these candidates, and then later on these become the winners, right? So first these members will nominate and also vote, and then the winner will be decided. This is because of this, the academy is always divided into the, therefore academy, you have to nominate the, so kind of let's say academy, single kind of group of members doing this particular job is very hectic, and therefore academy is always is divided into various branches, into various branches, and that will be very smoothly conducting the nominations and voting, and obviously the winners will be decided as simple as possible, and for that it is always being divided into. So what is, so the branch film, then then the branch of writers, then the branch of directors. So the branch of film production or the film producers will nominate the best film production. Then the group of writers or the branch of writers will nominate the writer's candidate. Then the group of directors will nominate the directors to be the winner of the Oscar. So these are the different categories, and for each of these categories you will be having a different kind of category which will be always nominating and voting the particular candidate. So if we consider the best film, right, then as far as these kinds of leading awards, or you can say elevated or the top awards, for that the entire academy members have to vote. Not only vote, they have to nominate. So all sit together, then they first nominate the film, and later on they always vote for that particular category. So if we consider the film from India, I think Mother India, so that was the film which had lost the Academy Award, I think in 1957, by a single vote. Because of only one vote, we have lost in the final round. Otherwise, first film from India could have won this particular award, right? So that was the thing. So they could see much more differences. At the time of Lagan, I will just tell you one story. At the time of Lagan was also nominated, but when it was being analyzed, so during analysis of that film, some things have been noticed by the members of the academy. Very simple example of that particular small thing is that, I think, wearing of the watch. Now see, the scene is that there is completely drought. जर तुमच्याकडे इतका मोठा दुष्काळ असेल तर तुम्ही इतकं महागडं घड्याळ कसं काय घालू शकता. So that was a technical problem, the lacuna, and because of such points it had been out of the contest. So see how pinpoint observations and evaluations are being done for the to be deciding the winner of this particular honor or this particular award, right? So for that you will be having different kinds of things. So it is a most prestigious award in the world cinema. So Oscar is a most prestigious. So why to see this particular, someone might be thinking that why we should see the Academy Awards or the Oscar. So most prestigious award in world cinema. World cinema. That is Oscar is always being given in a grand ceremony, which is always held in Kodak Theatre. This is very important thing. Kodak Theatre of Hollywood, which is in Los Angeles, which is again in US. So more in the month of February every year, right? So this could be about the award which we can consider for the Oscar. I think now it's fine. So if someone wants a screenshot, they can have. Otherwise, I will go to the next page. Uh, it is, but not mandatory. Both. There are some people who understand it, and no doubt most of them are there. Right. So that could be the most of them may not be understanding our languages. The relationship is that yes, there may be a question related on this particular thing, right? So ultimately, it is catching or it is covering your so-called GK. Fine. So this could be the way. Okay. Next. If we consider, okay, I will just give you one or two things which are, let's say,
हॅलो सर.
हा
हा सर, तुमची स्क्रीन आहे ना म्हणजे तुमचं इमेज रोटेट झालं ते प्लीज सरळ करता का? कारण का आम्ही PC वर आहे तर मला ते असं बघायला अवघड जातंय.
नाही कशी स्क्रीन कशी आहे?
म्हणजे सर आडवी झाली आहे, इमेज आडवी झाली आहे तुमची, जे आडवा दिसतंय
नाही,
सगळं.
मी तर म्हणून मी आता चेंज करून बघितलं ना तर ऍक्च्युली ती
तर okay.
व्हर्टिकलच आहे, आडवी
तर
नाहीये.
okay.
ते बहुतेक तुझ्या ह्याच्यात काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम असू शकेल.
ओके सर,
ठीक आहे, मी दोन्ही वेळेस तो मेसेज वाचला, मला पहिले असं वाटलं की हा, त्यामुळं इन माय ओपिनियन तसं काही नाहीये. ठीक आहे, सो इट्स फाईन. सो यू माइट बी हॅव्हिंग सम डिफिकल्टी. आय एम सॉरी फॉर दॅट, बट फ्रॉम माय साइड इट इज as expected. Fine. So let's continue. So I was talking about the thing that it was first given in 1929, but it was televised in USA only in 1953. See, it started in 1929, and first television show that live television of its was in 1953. That is only for USA. And after a few years, that is in 1969, it is being broadcasted worldwide. And currently, if you could see, millions of people are viewing it, let's say, every year's distribution or the presentation of the Oscar, right? So in 1969, broadcasted internationally, that is worldwide. Right. So this is about the thing which is very unique and the important one. So if we consider now the statute, as I said, so what exactly this statute is? So it is nothing but a knight standing on, right? So design of statute. So what it is nothing but a knight standing on the reel. If you have seen, it's standing on a reel. So what of this reel of the film and holding what it holds, sword, holding a sword, right? So it is of that particular thing. So if you consider this particular thing, so it stands tall. What is its height? So it's tall. It talls the this is easiest one which you can understand. So this is about its height, and its weight is around 3.8 kgs. 3.8 kgs. I think again 8.5 pounds. So if someone is remembering it easy, so it is always a thing, right? So it is always casted in a bronze of earlier, casted in bronze with 24 karat gold plating. 24 karat gold plating. But some time ago, you know, in the at the time of World War II, so it was uh, casted in a plaster. So during World War II, it was casted in plaster because at that time there was shortage of the metal, and again it is being now currently it is being gold plated. It is being casted in the gold plated, right? So that could be a thing. So plaster, something like which we use for the what we can say, the Ganesh Murti वगैरे अपन plaster of Paris वापरतो. So likewise it can be it is a kind of material, right? So in those days we were shorting, yes, exactly, in during the fracture, what kind of plaster we use, so that could be a thing. Fine. So this is about its transformation from its starting through World War II to the present scenario, right? So it is one thing. As far as its recipients are concerned, so there is only one thing, as if you consider here, that is George Bernard Shaw. So this is the only personality who got two prestigious medals, or the awards: Nobel Prize for Literature and the Oscar for Best Screenplay. Best Screenplay. And here I can write literature. Fine. So if someone wants to know much more about this particular thing, they can search out about this particular personality. It's always inspiring and informative, right? So George Bernard Shaw is the only odd out man who got world's best, both of these best prestigious awards or the medals. So let's come back now to the Oscar and India, right? So where we stand in this particular category. Fine. So that is the case. Now, here, as I said, Mother India. is the movie, I think, by Mehboob Khan. Let's say was the first Indian film who got nomination, right? First in the best foreign language film. So now someone had asked a question, language film. What about the language, whether they understand it or it is being translated? Now see, here it is best foreign language. So they have to be always, no doubt, transcripts are always there, right? Because there are very small things which may not be known by the experts. So they are always being briefed about it, right? So this was the thing, and it was very close to win the Academy Award, but lost by a single vote. And I think the another film called Knights of Cabria, right? So Knights of Cabria was the winner against Mother India, right? By single vote, right? Otherwise, this could be winner of this particular thing. So this is about the movie, the first one, which we can consider. Right now, then there was the designer called Bhanu Athaiya. So she was the first Indian to get the Oscar, right? So first Indian to get Oscar for the costume designing. For costume designing. In which movie? It is in the Gandhi, right? So I think Richard Attenborough's internationally acclaimed movie called Gandhi. So in that movie, Gandhi, she was the costume designer and she got awarded the Oscar for costume design, right? So it's the first one from India. Then I think after 10 years, maybe 1992, Satyajit Ray was the next Indian to get honorary Academy Award. Again, he is first Indian to get honorary Academy Award. So honorary Academy. So what this honor is? So this honored in the form of Oscar Lifetime Achievement Award. Right. So this is called Oscar Lifetime Achievement Award. Fine. So I think someone is there who still couldn't get what exactly difference between Academy and the award. Sorry, in the Oscar is, I think, in 1992. So it is for what this Lifetime Achievement Award is given. So it was given for the outstanding contribution in the cinema. If we consider, right? So here, if I write for outstanding contribution to the cinema, particularly it was Indian cinema, right? So this is about the some of the other things related to the Oscar and India or Indians. So I think again you can have the screenshot of this particular page if anybody wants. Okay, I can write here the year 1982 for Athayas winning. It's world's greatest or the prestigious award. What else you want in the benefits? It is who got the most? I think A.R. Rahman. Or if your question is related to the world, no, I don't know about it. But as far as India, it is the Rahman. A.R. Rahman is the most one. So many times that is nothing but the most. A.R. Rahman.
So less than 1 minute we have. The session will
Okay,
start
okay.
automatically within a
Yes.
minute. Please try to
Okay,
join
sir.
again. Within a minute we will start the current session. Please try to join again.